Cranky Zip Stick. The creators of the Cranky Zip Stick system have developed a solution for the challenges posed by long ladders and bulky sectional sticks. This innovative tool, primarily designed for hunters, can also be beneficial for individuals with tree houses. By performing a few simple movements, the frame, measuring 1 meter in length, can expand to approximately twice its original size. The system is securely attached to sturdy steel cables and has a remarkable load capacity of up to 136 kilograms. To ensure its security, the system incorporates a padlock feature made of aluminum. This feature is particularly suitable for those who enjoy hunting from tree stands, which are portable hunting platforms placed in trees. However, potential buyers should consider the higher price point of $164. Agrist. In 2016, Japan's Ministry of Agriculture gained attention for its intention to replace aging farmers with robots. At that time, the average age of farmers was around 67 years, making robots a valuable asset. Now, in 2023, a Japanese robot specially designed for harvesting has made an impressive appearance at the CES trade show. Let's delve deeper into its advantages. This robot excels at picking peppers with remarkable precision, leaving no leaf behind. Its navigation and maneuvering capabilities rely on a combination of cameras and a patented AI algorithm. Moreover, the robot possesses the ability to anticipate the harvest, assess the maturity level of peppers, and determine the remaining days for each pepper to ripen. Surprisingly, the price of this robot is less than $10,000, which is significantly lower compared to its competitors that typically cost 6 to 7 times as much. UNI-1. Japan has introduced another groundbreaking development, this time in the form of an unconventional wheelchair created by Honda. This wheelchair operates in a manner similar to a hoverboard, with the user leaning forward to move forward and leaning backward to decelerate. It offers unrestricted movement in a 360-degree range and incorporates a unique feature that raises the seat for enhanced comfort during conversations. The wheelchair utilizes posture sensors to track the user's body position, while the stabilization controller ensures safe angles are maintained. Additionally, users can change direction by leveraging their hands against walls or furniture. The advantage of having both hands free opens up a plethora of possibilities, including engaging in activities such as go-karting, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, games. Although demonstration tests for the wheelchair have been conducted since 2022, it remains uncertain whether it will be manufactured on a large scale. Ampla Hazechuk Shield. In the year 2021, fire departments in the United States alone were called upon to respond to approximately 1.35 million fires. The resulting property damage from these fires is estimated to be in the tens of billions of dollars. However, the utmost priority in such situations is to save people's lives. To address this critical objective, a Czech architect, who personally experienced a fire incident, has developed a shield extinguisher. This innovative device not only offers a more intuitive approach to extinguishing fires but also provides protection while navigating towards emergency access points. The shield extinguisher can be easily operated with a single hand and has a capacity of up to 6 kilograms of extinguishing powder, depending on the specific model. Moreover, the shield is aesthetically designed to be more visually appealing compared to traditional fire extinguishers. Its large size and bright coloration make it easier to locate in emergency situations. Additionally, with a thickness of only 9 centimeters, the shield can be conveniently mounted in narrow hallways. The price of the shield extinguisher is set at $874. Citroën AMI Buggy. This concept, created by a German designer, introduces a vehicle that provides a similar experience. Designed with a minimalist approach, this vehicle is specifically tailored for outdoor activities. It features airless tires, folding seats, luggage modules, and an all-wheel drive system. With these elements combined, it offers convenience and versatility. Additionally, the vehicle comes equipped with a built-in tent, allowing users to seamlessly immerse themselves in the outdoor environment. This concept aims to encompass all the necessary elements for a fulfilling and enjoyable experience. Dream glasses. It would be interesting to see this exercise machine paired with augmented reality glasses. We already have a candidate. It weighs only 59 grams and works with game consoles like the Nintendo Switch and PCs. 2 speakers embedded in the temples are responsible for the audio. The glasses are comfortable to wear even over regular glasses. The maximum resolution is 3840 by 1080. Gamers will be pleasantly surprised by the possibility of connecting 2 pairs of glasses to one console at once. According to the manufacturers, they've already supplied more than 15,000 different AR headsets and have worked with such business giants as Singapore Airlines and T-Mobile. The team has managed to raise more than $220,000 on Indiegogo alone. The price for one pair starts at $450. The real wheel. Imagine planning a family picnic or beach day or a camping trip. You need to pack everything from food and water to toys and sunscreen. But carrying it all in bags can be tiring, and backpacks can jumble and crumple your items. Tossing things into the trunk of your car in a pile isn't an option either. And while some people suffer, others find a way to make money. What do you think of this cargo mono wheel, which can hold 91 kilograms? It features a storage system inside the wheel and the top part that can double as a table. The design resembles a mini road roller and will confidently roll over rocks. Need a special phone, it won't get bogged down in sand or be affected by accidental debris. The empty cart weighs 11 kilograms. And if you're wondering how many cans that can hold, the answer is 48. The price is $300. Casey. There is a lot of work in warehouses too. It's not a surprise given that the size of Amazon warehouses, for example, varies from 50 to 100,000 square meters. So smart assistants are not a luxury, but a necessary upgrade that can reduce costs by about 40%. This robot works autonomously and carries loads up to a ton. Instead of a head, it has a 14-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls. Inside the robot, there's an AI and 3D vision system and a laser scanner to ensure the robot doesn't collide with employees or cause damage to boxes of goods. And if something goes wrong, there are big red emergency stop buttons on the side. One charge lasts 8 hours and it takes an hour to replenish the power supply. For the moments, the creators of the robots are offering to apply for a pilot program, so the exact price is still unknown. Effie. We live in a world with flying cars and drones where solar panels are cleaned by robots and exercise bikes are more technologically advanced than cars. But when it comes to ironing, we still rely on the old-fashioned way. Taking out a board, turning on the iron and starting to work. The creators of Faye decided to change this. They offer a cabinet-shaped system that combines ironing, drying and steaming. Simply hang up everything you need to iron and Faye automatically detects the type of fabric and adjusts the temperature. The system can handle up to 12 garments at once, with 3 minutes needed for ironing and 6 minutes for drying. The only problem is that the device can't iron wool or cashmere and has an impressive size of 128 by 180 centimeters. The estimated preliminary price is $900, which may be too steep for many of us. Thought it was a giant PS5 console, jokes one viewer. Esper Bionics. Fans of science fiction are likely familiar with the term Esper, which denotes individuals with extraordinary paranormal capabilities. It is, therefore, fitting that Esper Bionics, a company with a name resonating with the concept, offers a remarkable product, a bionic robotic arm. However, this is just the beginning for them. The team at Esper Bionics has ambitious plans to develop a robotic leg, followed by body implants aimed at enhancing physical abilities. While this may resemble something from a video game, it's important to note that this technology is very much real. The bionic robotic arm created by Esper Bionics is an impressive feat, consisting of 288 components and up to 16 sensors distributed across the forearm, shoulder, and chest. It incorporates advanced technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence to enhance its functionality. Currently, these prosthetic devices are individually assembled, but plans for mass production are underway, with the expected commencement in the current year. The inclusion of Esper Bionics' robotic arm in Time magazine's list of the 200 best inventions of 2022 further underscores the potential success and impact of their innovation. Tilt bikes. Modern exercise bikes are amazing and offer incredible features such as advanced analytics, virtual worlds like Zwift, competition modes and affordable prices. However, the feeling is not quite the same as riding a real bicycle. The Move team sought to create a more realistic experience, and the results of their work is already on your screen. The British company offers frames in different sizes to accommodate specific riding styles such as road cycling, patented handlebars, and the need to move your whole body to keep your balance and electronic gear shifting and braking. The bike is Bluetooth and ANT Plus compatible with a built-in power meter and a system that adjusts resistance when ascending and descending, making it perfect for use in Zwift. The rider's position is recorded 1,000 times per second, which makes training effective and allows you to upgrade not only your body, but also your riding technique. For now, Those interested in purchasing the bike are placed on a waiting list. Prices start at $4,700. Marine X USV. Well, unmanned cars often make headlines. Unmanned water vehicles are just as impressive yet often overlooked. For example, this unmanned boats will come in handy for researchers. Although it only reaches a speed of 22 km per hour, it can operate autonomously for up to 25 days. The standard version is compatible with the GNSS satellite navigation system, works with Wi-Fi and LTE, and comes equipped with several cameras. A special rail system allows customers to quickly install additional equipment such as a winch or scientific instruments. The boat is 9 meters long and can be controlled from a mobile station on shore or from another vessel. Aside from scientists and ecologists, the boats will be of interest to the military, as the company claims that it can help to ensure the safety of ports and harbors. Muscle chain. The medical field is not lagging behind either. Some time ago, the public was amazed by the Da Vinci robotic surgical system. But today, even cooler technologies are being developed. Designers from Switzerland offer surgical tools with magnets that take the desired shape right inside the body. These tools can be inserted through a narrow catheter, which reduces the need for extensive incisions on the patients and opens up new horizons for minimally invasive surgery. Some parts of the tools are 3D printed, which allows for easy adaptation, such as adding cameras or manipulating objects. The invention has been named mesmerizing, which stands for magnetic soft robotic chains, says the company. By combining this innovation with robotics, medicine will take another step forward. Mid-sail wearable assistive robotics. This eye-catching device resembling a hand made of bananas is actually a serious project developed by a team in the US. It has been designed to help people who have difficulty controlling their muscles. A special thread enables the yellow fingers to feel touch, and they contract, thanks to air pressure, allowing the user to pick up objects such as a soda can with confidence. Making these devices is relatively simple. Ordinary silicon tubing can be used as a base, and the user simply needs to specify how everything should move. From there, an autonomous printing machine takes care of the rest. As part of the experiment, the team has also created a sleeve that allows for bending of the knee and elbow and plans to explore new forms in the future. The device can be used both separately, such as in the form of a glove, and as a components of an exoskeleton, which is part of the team's future plans. Green rails. The US alone has more than 293,000 kilometers of railroads. Some see this figure as a transport and economic opportunity, while others see a chance to make a positive contribution to the environment. Meet green railroad ties made from tires, plastic and other waste with built-in solar panels. Let's check out some numbers. Lang 1,670 ties, which is about a kilometer of railroad track, helps recycle 35 tons of waste. That kilometer of ties is capable of producing about 35 megawatt hours of energy, enough for 10 households, and truck maintenance costs would fall by a factor of 2 or 2.5 with these ties. Wave roller. If you're in search of a reliable, predictable, affordable, and renewable energy source, look no further than waves. A team in Finland has developed the wave roller system, which effectively harnesses the power of the ocean. According to their official website, this system offers several advantages. Firstly, it can generate up to 1 megawatt of power from a single unit, showcasing its impressive capacity. Additionally, it is capable of operating in shallow waters as deep as 8 meters, making it well suited for coastal regions. Furthermore, the wave roller system can be mounted on the seabed, expanding its potential applications. The mechanism behind this system involves utilizing the motion of the waves to propel a blade, which subsequently rotates a cylinder to generate pressure and activate the generator. This innovative approach places the wave roller system among the most advanced solutions in the renewable energy industry. Its potential has already garnered attention within the European Union, indicating a positive outlook for investment and further development of the project. Ecopia. Continuing the theme of green energy and ecology, it's worth noting that the total capacity of all solar panels in operation in the world was 760 gigawatts in 2020. Wow, this sounds promising. The problem is that solar panels require regular cleaning. Luckily, robots can do it. For example, the Ecopia T4, these robots got a tough job. Their first commercial deployment was in the Middle East to protect the panels from sandstorms and dust. 100 robots were sent to work at night. They don't need water to clean because they use a combination of air streams and microfiber cloths. Moreover, the robots are able to operate fully autonomously in temperatures of up to 60 degrees Celsius, and winds of up to 44 meters per second.